Yo, what is up everybody, and in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can disable share link on your Discord server. So for that you need to be the owner of the Discord server. Like you see the crown beside my name, which denotes I'm the server owner. So in another word, you need to be the admin of the server. So that's basically what it means. All right, so if you're the admin of the server, then basically this is gonna work. So for this, first you need to have a bot on your server. You have to install this bot called YGPDP. Search for it. And once this comes over here, when I click on where it says YAG PDP, click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to this server. Now what you want to do is click on where it says login using Discord. Click on it. Now you need to log in with the Discord. If you're like Discord is already open on your device, it's going to show you this. Click on authorize. Once it's authorized, you have logged in to it using your Discord server. Now basically what you want to do is click on where it says select server. Select the server in which you want to ban the link sharing. So this is going to be the server in which I want to ban the link sharing. I'm going to click on that server, click on continue, scroll down, click on authorize, click on I'm human, verify I'm the human, and the bot has been added over here on my server, as you guys can see. Once the bot has been added, basically what you want to do is over here is click on get started. Once you're over here, you want to click on where it says scroll through every of it, and it's done. Now once you skip through all of that, you want to click on skip and go to dashboard. Once you're on your dashboard again, you want to click on where it says tools and utilities, click on it. Once you click on tools and utilities, you want to click on where it says basic auto moderator. Click on it, and you want to click on where it says links. You want to go to links, and you want to click on enable over here on links. You want to enable it, click on save. Once you save it, you want to click on where it says general. You want to go on general, enable it as well. Save. Once it's enabled, your general and your links should be enabled. And after that, now it's all done. You want to scroll down, click on save all setting. And the setting has been saved successfully. Now I'm going to go over here and try to paste the link on this server. All right, so let me try that. So bot just removed the link. As you guys can see, I tried to paste it and it has removed it. So that's basically how you guys can do it. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on, so you guys can get notified once our new video releases. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye, peace out, have a nice day.